Welcome back, class. In this video, your Catia mentor is going to show you how to insert a title block and border. Alright, so let's first open up our Catia tree in drafting. You can either extend from here, or you can always click on F3 on your keyboard to turn on your Catia tree, whether it's in drafting or in assembly or in part design. Alright, so let's first extend. And here we can switch between views or our Catia tree. So just like in Catia V5, here in Catia 3D Experience, we're going to go to Sheet 1, right click, edit background. You'll see the background turns gray. Okay, so in the background you want to insert your title block and border, your general notes, your revision block, and your parts list if you have one. Alright, so let's go ahead and insert title block and border. And let's go with the American standards, ANSI or ASME. There's also ISO, International Standards Organization, French standards. There's also Japanese standards, JIS. Okay, so let's go with the American ANSI or ASME standard. And I'm going to go over to create title block. So typically you'll have your company title block already set up for you. So here in Catia we have sample 1, 2, and dress up. Let's go to sample 1. And I'm going to hit apply, and you'll see it generate a title block and border with respect to the sheet size. And apply. Generates title block and border. And if you want to add a revision block, apply. And you can type in your initials or the checker's initials. Okay, okay. And if you want to change any of the text, you can just double click. Oh, let me first exit. Okay. So you can double click on the text if you want to make changes. As you can see, if you want to change the name of your drawing, just double click, make the changes, give it a part number. And this way you would insert your company logo. Okay, so once you're done adding title block and border, maybe general notes, if you're dealing with an assembly, maybe you have a parts list, you can do it here. You can generate your own parts list, create your own table, and manually insert the data. And in a later video, I'll show you how to generate a bill of material or parts list directly from the assembly. Okay, now let's exit. So once we're done working with the background, we can exit. Now let's say you want to change your sheet size. Okay, so let's go over to Sheet 1, right click, Properties, and let's say you wanted to go from a D to a larger size. Let's say you want to go to a E size. Maybe you need more room. Maybe you want to add an isometric view or add some auxiliary views or more projected views. You need more room. So let's go up to an E size. And OK. And now notice the title block and border is too small for our E size sheet size. Okay, so let's go back to the background. To fix that, I'm going to right click on Sheet 1, Properties. My mistake. Right click and go all the way down to Edit Background. Edit Background. And we're going to change our title block and border. So we can hit Resize. Okay, so click on Resize and Apply, and it'll resize your title block and border for you, as you can see. Took a while, but there it is. It's regenerating border and title block and relocating the revision block. Hit OK, exit the background, and now you can reposition your views to take advantage of all this extra space. Right, that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.